In this platform, we have decided to work on stone as stones come in various shapes and sizes, and yet there are only two main ways of it being processed: cut and carved for ornamental purposes or as composite aggregates in concrete, which then give us more room to venture and look into stone as a building material. Challenging the notion of a stone, we sought to create a stone that could best represent the Anthropocene age of our time. So what exactly do we envision a stone of today to be? We aim to retain the strength and durability of stones while incorporating the rising trend of sustainability awareness and the vast usage of technology in this day and age. Due to limited time and resources, volcanic rocks were used as they are more readily available. We moved away from traditional ways of stone processing like cutting or carving. Instead, we started our explorations by grinding up rocks and using them in their powdered forms, just like how construction materials are processed into powdered forms for efficiency today. Various binders and drying methods were explored to discover the optimal process in creating a tough and durable stone, studied through a series of tests. The type of stone being used affects not just the weight, but also the hardness and final color of the product. We ended up choosing gelatin glue as it provided the best results for strength, durability, and water resistance with a captivating shimmer finish. To give the stones more character and depth, we also experimented on using unconventional additives that provided colors and patterns to the final product. With that, we concluded that there are three main variables that affect our system of making the stone of today: particle fineness, amount of glue used, and the type of additive used. The finer the stone powder, the denser and heavier the resulting stone becomes, while the amount of glue used affects how smooth the finished stones will be and how visible the additives appear eventually. Lastly, we found that we were able to manipulate the colors of the stone by using chalk, where the hue is affected by whether warm or cool-colored chalks were added. These different factors, when combined together, resulted in a systematic way of producing stones that could be customized to one's liking. Here, we imagine the possibility of it being a three-dimensional wall cladding tile. All in all, we envision this system to be used for various types of stones, providing an opportunity to repurpose stone waste in the form of dust and debris into new building materials that encapsulate sustainability and technology to create the stone of today.